There was this one thing that almost kept me off from playing the bass guitar. Gosh, it was so annoying, bro. I almost stopped playing bass guitar until I came up with these 3 tips that helped me master my fretboard easily. Very easy, okay? I recommend you watch the video to the end. I think the last one is going to help you. But before we start the breakdown, I also do private class lesson. If you want to know more and more on bass guitar, you'll see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass guitar and let's begin with the breakdown. Okay, so as I said earlier in the video, I'll be giving you 3 tips to help you master your fretboard easily, okay? So if you're a beginner, you should try and watch this breakdown to the end so that you understand everything I'm about to teach you, okay? So the first one I'll be teaching you is I want you to master your fingers on your scale, okay? So I have been teaching this out there and I'll show you how. For example, let's play on key C. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1. You understand? Imagine you don't know your numbers on your fingers. You'll be struggling and you'll be looking at your fretboard just like this. And you'll be using random fingers to play the notes. But if you master the fingers very well, this is your 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 fingers we normally use to play the notes. And if you master them very well, I know that my 3rd finger is playing my T. That is my 7. And I know that my 3rd finger on my 2nd string on C is playing my 3. So when you learn this on your 2nd shape on the major scale and on the 3rd shape on the major scale, you'll be able to play this very well, okay? So when it comes to modes, I don't know if you've learned the modes before, but if you haven't learned it, you can just hit me on my private lesson, okay? When you master the fingers on the modes, you understand, this is gonna help you master the fretboard very well, okay, with the number fingers. All you just need to do is memorize the notes each finger will be playing, okay? So you'll be seeing pro bass player playing bass. They don't look at their bass guitar, they just play. Let's say I want to play, I won't look at the fretboard. You understand, okay? I wasn't looking at the fretboard because I have learned how to place each finger on every note. And I know that if I am going to a note here, I know this finger is to play. So I can just stay away, look away from my fret and just be playing. And also, I have also measured. So if you have your own personal bass guitar, you see that when you are playing, you have already measured the length on every note. You understand? Something like, there are some bass guitar, when you play them, some of the bass guitar are too long and some of them are too short. So I have already mastered my bass guitar. So if I go out there and I play a new bass guitar, I'll make sure that I'll have to master it, the length of the bass guitar, the numbers, so that if I am to play and look away, I'll be able to play it without hitting a wrong note. You understand, okay? Master your fingers on the note, the number fingers. 2 4 1 2 4 1 3 4. You understand? So when you learn them, learn the 1st shape, 2nd shape and the 3rd shape, it is going to help you, okay? So now the 2nd one is you should know your fret in numbers. I just don't know how, if that is how I am to say it. You see that if we are to count the fret starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, let's end on these 2 dots and know it's our 12, okay? So on key C, if I want to play on my 4 and I don't want to play this 4 here, I want to play my 4 here, I have already memorized my 4. So I'll have to count starting from my 3 4 5 6 7 8. On my 8th fret, 3rd string is my 4. So for me, I have already mastered them. So try and do it to all the keys. You understand, okay? So dun, 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 dun. And on my 4, you see this dot here. In front of this dot, I know that that is my Fa. That is my 4 on my C major. So I can now groove with it, whether using the modes or using any kind of things you've learned just to make that 4 spicy. You understand? Okay, so memorize the fret, count, learn the numbers on the fret: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You understand? And it is also good in learning. Sometimes if I'll be teaching and I'll say play fret 6 string 4, it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 string 4. That is the note it gives you. You understand? This also helps you understand your fretboard very, very, very well. Okay, and the last one is you knowing your major scale, the roots, and the octave. It is very, very important if you're a beginner, and it helped me a lot. Okay, so let me show you how it is. Let's say we are playing on the same key, C. You see, when I say root and octave, your root and your octave. You understand? Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or let's say 1. Back to 1 again. Okay, so learn the roots and octave. And your root goes like this. You have to play your major scale on your root, the root string. Okay, so it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So when you master the top one, that is the root note alone, then you are good to go. Then if you have learned the modes, then you can start playing with it, or maybe your pentatonic scale or whatever, then you can groove with it. Okay, but make sure you memorize, that is starting from the C key. That C key, the notes in the C key: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Then you bring in your octave so that it will guide you to play 2 of it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Then you can descend. You can do it on key G. You understand? So why you should learn this a lot? Let's say I'm to groove. You see, I am sliding on the notes because I have already mastered. You understand? So when you master the root and octave, you can also learn the do re mi, that is your 1, 2, 3 on the octave string. Then you can descend. No. You understand? Okay, so I think this is the 3 tips I'll be giving you. Just try and understand them, practice with them very well. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.